So now we are in the main topic of this trigonometry. Why I am saying main? Because we are getting here the three universal relations. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The first relation is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Cosec square, second one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay. Now what happens here? All have squares here. Okay. That means their degree 2. That means we can remember these relations as quadratic relations. As quadratic relations we can remember these all things. So only in case of sine and cos there is plus. Okay. That is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. You can write cos square theta plus sine square theta equal to 1 also. No problem. But in these two cases there is no plus. In these two cases there is minus. So cosec comes first. Cosec square minus cot square equal to 1. Sec square minus tan square equal to 1. You cannot write cot square minus cosec square equal to 1. You cannot write, that will be wrong. You cannot write tan square minus sec square. That will be wrong. Okay, exactly, you have to maintain the order because minus sign is there. So cosec first, then cot. Sec first, then tan. Okay, but here you can write in both way. No problem. Now these relations, I have these two relations are written in different format actually. Okay, cosec square equal to cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, the general form of this. Okay, now sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. In that way these two relations used to be written, but I have written in this format so that to make you understand that equal to 1 in all the side, right side equal 1 in all cases. Okay, only in one case there is a plus when there is sin square and cos square, but cosec square and cot square there will be minus, and sec square and tan square there also it is minus. Is it? Okay. Now each of these relations when we derive or when we expand these all relations. Okay. When we simplify these all relations to find out the values of cos, sin, cosec, cot, and sec, tan, to find out these values separately, we will get 4 from each. We will get 4 extra relations from each of these identities. That is from this identity 4 relations, from this identity 4 relations, from the other 4. That is total extra 12 relations we are getting. Just you solve these equations, then for each term you will get the sum of the relations. That means what I am telling is from 1 sin square theta is equal to, we are going to find sin theta in terms of cos theta. Sin theta in terms of cos theta, then sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos goes that side, becomes minus. Okay, then if you remove the square here, if you remove this square, means square root you are taking both the side, means square root both the side you are taking square root both the side, then this square will be removed. Okay, then this is sin theta, then here it is square root comes, that is 1 minus cos square theta, taking square root both the side. Okay, similarly for cos square theta equal to sin square theta comes this side, becomes minus, then cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. Now remove the square, it becomes cos theta. So cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Is it? Square root comes when there is no square. Means square is removed, then only square root comes. Similarly, now we check from first relation itself, we have 4 extra relations. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these 4 relations along with this main, we have to consider them also as a separate identity or separate formula, because we are using sin theta equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta. Directly we are using this in our sum. Okay, now sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, this term we are using. So these all also you have to consider as a specific relations only. So from second relation, now second relation is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So cosec square theta is equal to, now minus cot square theta comes this side, becomes plus, that is cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Similarly, remove the square, then cosec theta. So cosec theta is equal to square root 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, now check here. Now we are working for cot. So cot comes here, this is minus. So minus cot comes here, it becomes plus cot. So it is plus cot square theta. Then 1 comes this side, then minus. So cosec square theta minus 1 it will be. That means cot comes this side, that is cot square theta. Then 1 comes this side, means cosec square theta minus 1. That means cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Remove the square. Remove the square, then this is cot theta. Okay, then square root comes cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, from here also 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 relations. Okay, now from here. From the third, sec square theta is equal to 10 comes this side, becomes plus, that is 1 plus 10 square theta. Okay, from 3. Now remove the square. Sec theta, what comes? Square root. Square root 1 plus 10 square theta. Square root of this. Okay. Now again, this 10 comes this side, then 1 also comes this side. Then 10 becomes positive. That is 10 square theta. Sorry, 10. Okay, 10 square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. 10 square theta equal to sec square theta. This minus comes here, minus 1. 10 square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Okay, and then 10 theta equal to square root of sec square theta minus 1. Okay, what are the confusions? Now discuss with confusion. Okay, here you will not face any confusion. Here, okay, remember we have cosec square theta minus 1. Instead of this, when you will not understand properly, then there will be confusion. Then you may write this one 1 minus cosec square theta. That will be wrong. Same thing will happen here also. That's not 1 minus sec square theta, not 1 minus sec. 10 square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Okay, sec square theta minus 1. Directly when you will write. Okay, so you have to clear these all relations. Then only we can proceed to the exercise, and then we can solve some other question from there. Okay.